In the periodic table, one element stands out as the most reactive and electronegative. It is fluorine, which is a member of the family of elements known as the halogens, found in group 7 or 17 of the periodic table. In this lesson, you will learn about the discovery, occurrence, and properties of fluorine. You will also learn the uses of fluorine. Like chlorine, fluorine does not occur freely in nature due to its high reactivity. It exists mainly in combined form. For example, all fluorine exists naturally in fluoride-containing minerals such as fluorite, fluorapatite, and cryolite. Fluorine got its name from fluorite, which is one of its primary mineral sources. It was described by a German physician and mineralogist, Georgius Agricola, in 1529. As said earlier, fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. In other words, fluorine is the element with the strongest desire to attract an electron into its outermost shell. This property can be attributed to the small atomic radius of fluorine, which is around 60 picometers. The preparation of fluorine was a long unsolved problem in the past. It was later in 1886 that Henri Moisson succeeded in isolating the element through the process of electrolysis. Fluorine is a faint yellow gas at room temperature. It has an irritating smell and is dangerous to inhale. Due to its high reactivity, fluorine can combine with almost all elements except a few of them, such as helium and neon, to form ionic or covalent fluorides. For instance, fluorine can react with metals and nonmetals, which also include the noble gases such as xenon and radon. Some compounds formed when fluorine combines with metals include sodium fluoride, tungsten, and rhenium hexafluoride. While some compounds formed when chlorine reacts with nonmetals include hydrogen fluoride, sulfur hexafluoride, and xenon hexafluoride. Before we conclude this lesson, let's consider some uses of fluorine and its compounds. Some compounds of fluorine, commonly known as freons, are used as refrigerants in refrigerators and air conditioners. Freons are also used as propellants in insecticides. Also, tin 2 fluoride and sodium fluoride are compounds of fluorine used as ingredients in the manufacture of toothpaste. This is due to their properties which help in preventing tooth decay. Here's a summary of what we have discussed so far. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Fluorine exists naturally in fluoride-containing minerals such as fluorite, fluorapatite, and cryolite. It is a faint yellow gas at room temperature. It has an irritating smell and is dangerous to inhale. Compounds of chlorine have a wide variety of applications. This is where we will end this lesson. I'd love to see you in the next one.